Gurnur, please set your camera properly. Yashita, set it properly. Shreya and Rishika, sit properly. Daksh, Harsh, okay, so let's start. In the class, we have discussed chapter 1 integers, the basic part of integers we have discussed in the class. Okay, so those who are, you have missed the classes, okay, I want to repeat all these things once again today. Okay, those who have discussed, those who have done all these basic terms, they can revise this thing once again. Sanjot, Sanjot, I will not point out once again, sit properly in the class, adjust the camera properly. Okay, no movement, nothing should be there. Right, so what do you mean by integers? Integers are this is your number line. Okay, this I have made a number line. Okay, so in this you have to see, you can see that there are the negative numbers as well as the positive numbers mentioned on the number line. So what do you mean by integers? Okay, all the negative numbers and all the positive numbers, including the 0, are known as integers. Right? Are known as integers. If anyone will ask you, what are the whole number, natural numbers, integers, rational numbers? These are the basic terms of the mathematics. So you should know these terms, right? So integers are all the negative numbers, all the positive numbers, including the 0, that are known as integers. By tomorrow, again, I'll ask you one by one. Okay, I'll call some names. I'll ask you, what do you mean by integers? You have to give me answer, okay, in your message box. Now, comes to the properties of integers, okay? Properties of integers are very, very important. This you have discussed in the grade 6. You are going to discuss in the grade 7th. You will be discussed in the grade 8th, 9th, 10th. These are very, very important and you should know these properties. Okay, so properties of integers, there are 4 properties: closure property, commutative property, associative property, and the additive property. Okay, so in the closure property, what is the meaning of closure property? Closure property says that if you add any 2 numbers, your answer will be integer only. Okay, suppose you are going to add 2, minus 5. Now tell me, your answer will be how much? You are going to add 2 and minus 5. Your answer will be how much? Very good. Sanchit, very good. Rochelle, very good. Excellent. Answer will be minus 3. Okay, so means answer can be negative or positive. Abhilasha, good. Answer can be negative or positive. So if answer will be negative, again, that is an integer. If answer will be positive, suppose in case answer will be positive, again, that will be integer. Okay, so addition of any 2 integers will be always integers, right? If you're going to add any 2 integers, answer will be integers. Now come to the commutative property. It says that when you add a plus b, okay, a plus b, that will be absolutely equal to b plus c. That will be absolutely equal to b plus c. Okay, suppose I'm adding 2 plus 3. My answer will be 5. If I'm adding 3 plus 2, my answer will be again 5. Okay, so they're saying that you can write in any order. You can write in any order. Answer will be absolutely same. Left hand side will be equal to right hand side. Got it? Up to here, it's clear to everyone, right? Okay, now next is the associative property. What they're saying in associative property, if you are going to add a plus b plus c, okay, a plus b plus c means you have to solve this bracket first of all, a plus b, and then you have to add in the third number. Your answer will be exactly equals if you are solving this bracket and then you are adding a in that. Okay, let me write here. This is the associative property. Let me write here. It is saying that A plus B plus C is always equal to A plus B plus C. What is the meaning of this? Suppose 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 4. If here you have to open this bracket, you know that in these kind of questions, you have to open the bracket first of all. Solve this bracket, answer will be 5 and then add in 4. Answer will be 9. Okay, here. First of all, solve this bracket. Answer will be 4 plus 3, that is equal to how much? 7. And add in 2, that is equal to 9. So both are equal. Okay, 9 equals to 9. So the meaning of associative is whether you are going to solve these two terms or you are going to solve these two terms. After adding with the third term, okay, here or here, answer will be equal. Okay, left hand side will be equal to right hand side. Yes, Rushil, very good. Keshav, please sit straight in the class. Your face should be visible to me. Okay, I'm monitoring everyone side by side. Right? Okay, now let's come to the additive property. It's very, very important. You're having questions, direct questions in your exercise based upon the additive property. Okay, students are getting confused in this property, additive property. Additive property is of two. There are two categories of additive property. Okay, one is the additive identity, and one is the additive inverse. Okay, students sometimes they're confused in these two concepts. Okay, Mayank, sit properly in the class. Additive identity. Okay, what does this mean? Okay, it means if you add something, if you add any number in 0, any number. Okay, any number means this number can be -5. This number can be +11. Okay, any number. If you add 0 in both the numbers, your answer will be what? For the first statement, answer will be what? Please tell me, answer will be what? -5 plus 0, answer will be what? Very good, Sanchit, Rushil, Aditya. Aditya, sign is not written. Everyone has to answer. Hazel, very good. Very good. Abhijot. Everyone has to answer. I'm reading all the messages. Nirja, no. Very good, Ramandeep. Tanvi, I'm asking for the first of all. Gurnur, no. Ananya, right. Rushil, very good. Rashi, Natik, no. Shivash, no. Okay. So see, this is a basic question. And some are not able to answer this question. Natik, no. -5 plus 0 will be -5. Plus 11 plus 0 is equal to +11. If you add 0 in any number, whether it's positive or negative, okay, your answer will be that number itself. Your answer will be that number itself. Okay, so this is the additive identity. If you add, if anybody will ask you what is additive identity, it means you have to say that when we are adding 0 in any number, okay, either positive or negative, okay, answer will be that number itself. Right? Understood by everyone? Right? Now, let's come to the inverse. Inverse is, this is very easy, okay? Inverse is, suppose I'm having number -5, I'm having +77, I'm having -99. Okay, anyone will ask you, please tell me the inverse of -5. Inverse of -5, very good. That will be +5. Rushil, very good. Geet, Ashya, Aditya, Mayank, very good. Okay, additive inverse means you have to write that number as it is, only oppose the sign. Okay, only sign you have to oppose. Yes, Sanchit, very good. +77. Your inverse will be -77. Okay, only sign you have to change. Rest everything will be same. -99. Answer will be +99. Okay, so these are the inverse of additive property, right? Now I'm going to ask you two questions. Two questions, okay, and then you have to answer me. Look here. Minus 129 plus 0, and here is minus 316 plus, sorry, 1. Please tell me, minus 129 plus 0, answer will be very good. Answer will be minus 129. This is which property? Additive, identity, or additive inverse? It is which property? Please tell me quickly. Very good, very good. Very good. Identity. This is the additive identity. Very good. Excellent. Right? So here comes to this question. Minus 316. Please tell me the inverse of minus 316. Inverse of this. Very good. Very good. That is equal to plus 316. So in the additive identity, your answer will be that number itself. And in the inverse, your answer will be always 0. Okay? So this is the concept of additive inverse, and that was the concept of additive identity. Okay? Here answer will be that number itself, either positive, either or negative. Here answer will be always 0. When you add any two values with the opposite signs, answer will be always 0. Got it, everyone? Okay? Yes. Please check your connection once. Right? Please check your connection quickly. Right. Now, let's start with the questions. These are the basic terms that you have to do in the exercise 1A. Right? Now let's start with the first question. I'm solving only one part. One part I'll ask from you. Rest parts I'll give you for the homework. Okay? So sit properly in the class and keep your practice notebook with you. I told in the school also, whose section I'm teaching, you have to make 2 notebooks for the mathematics. One should be the practice, one should be the fair notebook. Shreya and Rishika, are you discussing something important? Sit properly in the class. Okay? So keep your practice notebook always with you in the class. Whatever work we are giving you for the homework, that note down in the fair notebook. Okay? First question is find out the sum. Sum means find out the addition. Okay? Now addition of, suppose I'm solving second part and I solve third part also. Okay, second part is minus 36 and 19. Third part is minus 11 and minus 29. Okay, now the second part minus 36 and 19. You have to add these two values. This is negative value, so write as it is. Don't remove the sign. Don't change the sign by on. Right? Plus 19. This is positive value, write down as it is. Plus 19. Okay? Now, tell me, if one value will be negative and one will be positive, what we will do? We will do addition or subtraction. The question is addition. But if one sign will be negative, one will be positive, what we will do? We will do addition or subtraction. Quickly tell me. Yeah, very good, Shreya, Sanchit, Naman, Rushil, Gurnur, Mishti, Vanya, Yanya, sorry, Harmanpreet, Netik, no, Ramandeep, Shaurya, Ekam, very good, very good. If we are having two values, one is negative, one is positive, we will always do subtraction. Okay, the minus of 36 minus 19, answer will be 17. Okay, 17. Now tell me, answer will be how much? 17. Now tell me, I have to write here plus sign or negative sign? I have to put minus sign or negative plus sign. I will write here minus sign because always you have to check the bigger values. Okay, plus minus will be minus, and you have to write here the sign of the bigger value. 19 is bigger or 36 is bigger. 36 is bigger, obviously. Okay, So sine of 36 will come here. This is your answer. This is your answer. Okay? Don't write anything with me. Okay? When I give you time to write, then only you can write down. Adarsh Lacker. Please mention your section also after the class. And set your camera properly in the class. Because I'll provide you everything in the PDF and in the videos. Okay? So nothing you have to write in the class. Now, see here. Minus 11 and minus 29. Now, we'll start with the question. Minus 11 and minus 29. And minus 29. Okay, now see here. Here some students are getting confused. How we have to solve. Okay, minus 11 will be as it is. I'm going to add the negative value. Plus minus will be minus. Okay? Okay, plus minus will be always minus. Some are saying, some can ask them how plus minus will be minus. This is a rule of mathematics. Okay, plus minus will always minus. Okay, sign will be always minus. Now both are negative. If both the values are having negative sign, then you have to add or subtract. Please tell me, you have to add here or you have to subtract here. And keep on reading your messages. I'll point out whose answer is wrong. Correct. Arshia, your answer is wrong. Very good. Else everyone has written the right answer. Very good. Okay, so if both the values are having a negative sign, you have to do the addition. 29 and 11, that will be 40. And sign will be negative always. Okay, please try to keep this concept in the mind. If both the values are having a negative sign, you have to do the addition, but sign will be negative always. Okay, you have to do an addition, but sign will be negative always. So this is your answer, right? Now I'm giving you 2 parts. Okay, no need to write these parts. We'll provide you everything in the PDF and in the videos. Now you have to write. Okay, I'm giving you 2 parts. Open your practice notebook quickly in front of you. Quickly. Practice notebooks. Okay, start writing. I'll call the names. Okay, and you have to give me answers. Do fourth part. Fourth part is minus 236 and plus 573. Okay, this is your first part. Second part is, fifth part you have to do 1001 plus minus 30. Okay, solve these 2 parts quickly. Parts. I've given something to solve. Okay, so start writing, start solving. Abhilasha, Kanika, very good. Very good. Akshara, very good. Disha, very good. Yes. Very good. Absolutely correct. Okay, so I'm writing here. You can match your steps, okay? Whenever you're solving the questions in the notebook, please mention all the steps properly in the notebook. Okay? Here you have write here minus 236 plus 573. Okay? Minus 236 plus 573. Now what you have to do here? One is negative, one is positive. So we will always do subtraction. If one is negative, one is positive, we will always do a subtraction. Okay? Answer will be how much of the first part? Of the first part, answer will be, yes, very good, 337. And please tell me, should I write here minus sign or plus sign? Should I write here minus sign or plus sign? Very good. Because the bigger value is 573. So sign will be always plus. You can write plus or you can leave like this. It means it is a positive value. Okay, very good. Now comes to this. Okay, fifth part. 1001 plus and minus. Plus and minus will become plus and minus will become Very good. Minus. Okay, 13. Now your answer will be very good. 988. Okay. Now should I write here plus or minus? Plus. Obviously plus. 1001 is a bigger value. It is positive. So my answer will be always positive. Okay. I have to check always the bigger value. Okay, not the smaller one. Okay, correct. So this is your first question based upon the addition of any two integers. Integers, I'm saying again, integers are the negative number or the positive numbers including the zero. Okay, all these are known as integer. If anyone will ask you, what is zero? What is zero? This is negative integer or positive integer. What you will say? What you will say? Zero. Raise your hands. It's a negative. It's a positive. No. Zero is neither negative nor positive. Okay? Neither. Zero is neither negative nor positive. Yes, zero is a whole number. You can say this also. Zero is a whole number. Very good. Yes, Vanshika, very good. Okay, now let's start with the second question. Quickly, you have to answer me. Okay, second question. I'm asking you first part minus 96. Then I'll ask you third part 0. Then I'll ask you second part. Okay, 396. Now, please tell me. You have to do second question, that is additive inverse. You have to give answer. What are the additive inverse of these values? Okay. Additive inverse of minus 96 is very good. Very good. Very nice. Answer of minus 96. Additive inverse is plus 96. It is plus 96. Okay. How? I told you that additive inverse means write down that value as it is, only oppose the sign. Okay. Vanshika, sit properly. Third is 0. Third part is 0. Additive inverse of 0 is always 0. Always 0. Okay. Okay. No negative sign, no positive sign. Okay. Now comes to this second part. 396. 396. Very good. Very nice. That is equal to minus 396. So the meaning of additive inverse is write down that value as it is. Only oppose the sign. Only oppose the sign. Minus will become plus. Plus will become minus. If it is 0, then it will be 0. Okay? No negative 0, no positive 0. Understood? Right. Now let's start with the third question that is based upon the subtraction. Okay? That is based upon subtraction. Here also some students have commit mistakes. When I was teaching in the class, that time also they were confused how we can subtract. Third question is subtract. Okay, subtraction of. Okay, I'm giving you two parts. Okay, then I'll ask you. 32 you have to subtract from minus 80. Okay. Then you have to subtract third part. Minus 43 from minus 57. Start writing in your notebooks. Start writing. Okay, I'll call your names one by one. How we can subtract this number from this number and this value from this value. Okay? Rochelle, just wait. Okay, I'll call you one by one. Very good. Mehak, sit properly. Noor, very good. Those who are sitting at home, everyone is sitting at home, okay? You have to sit in a proper uniform from tomorrow onwards, okay? Whatsoever lecture you are taking. Your teachers are delivering lectures in their uniform, then why don't you? Attend all the lectures in the proper uniform. Your posture should be absolutely correct. Very good, very good. Nice. Okay, now let's start. You have to subtract 32 from minus 80. That is equal to, always write down this value in the beginning. That is minus 80. Okay, minus 80. Okay, now subtract this value from this. Minus 32 in this way. Okay, now 80 and 32. Minus minus will become plus. Minus minus will become plus, and sign will be negative. Sign will be negative. Okay, so this is your answer of the first part. Okay, Disha. Right now, so this third part is minus 43 from minus 57. Write down minus 57 here. Okay, write down this value in the beginning. Okay, and minus, you have to subtract this value, minus and minus 43. Minus and minus 43. Disha, I'm calling your name for the last time. Attend the lecture in a proper posture. Right? If you want to take rest, you can leave the class. Enjoy. Minus 57, minus 43. Minus 57 right here. Minus will become plus. Okay, minus will become plus, and this is 43. Okay, right? Now you have to subtract. Mayank, your video is paused. Mayank Sandhu, your video is paused. Sit properly. Right? Now, minus 57 and 43. One is negative, one is positive. So we will do subtraction. Answer will be no. Yes, 14. Answer will be 14. 57 minus 43 is 14. Okay, and sign will be of the bigger value. That is your answer. That is your answer. Those who have done correct, okay, so it is very good. Those who have done in the same manner, who has committed the mistakes, please check it out step by step. Okay, solve the question step by step. Don't write directly answers only. No, you have to show from where you are subtracting, which value you are writing in the beginning, which you are writing after that. Okay, how you are adding or subtracting, mention everything properly. Now, this is your third question. So will you solve other parts at home? Those who have solved, very good. Those who have not solved, they have to solve all the parts at home. Right? Now, fourth question. In fourth question also, some were doing mistake. Okay, that's why I'm doing this fourth question again. You have to subtract minus 284 from the sum of minus 147 and 233. Please do this question quickly. Do this question quickly. You have to subtract minus 284 from the sum of minus 147 and 233. Solve step by step. Complete, sit properly and start solving. Okay, I'm given some work. Yes. I'm continuously monitoring everyone and reading your messages also. So be active in the class. The way you are answering in the classroom, the same way you have to answer here. Good, very good. Very good. I'm writing here. Okay, I'm giving you 1 more minute to solve this question. Some are giving correct answer, some are giving wrong answer. No, do the question again. Solve it again. Okay, so 2 ways you have to do. First of all, add these 2 values. Whatever the answer will come, then subtract this value. Okay, so do step by step. First of all, add. Okay, you know that which values you have to add and then subtract. Okay, very good. Okay, now I'm going to add minus 147 plus 233. Please tell me, answer will be, while adding these two values, answer will be, yes, yes, very good. Answer will be 86. And that will be plus 86 because this is a bigger value. It is positive. So no need to mention plus sign. 86 is the answer of addition. Now, you have to subtract this value from this value. That is 86 right in the beginning. Okay. Whatever value you are going to subtract, that you have to write at the after that. Okay. After that, minus 24. Okay. And this you are going to subtract. Okay. One sign, this sign is for the subtraction. This sign is of this value. Okay. So 2 minus sign will come. 86 minus minus will become plus 24, and that is equal to, add these two values, answer will be equal to 370. Very good. Most of you have solved this question properly. Very good. Okay, so this will be your answer. Right? Okay. So now let's start. Sanjot, from tomorrow onwards, sit in a proper uniform. Sanjot. Okay. From tomorrow onwards, sit in a proper uniform. Next question, fifth question. Today we will discuss up to question 5. Right? Today we will discuss up to question 5. That is simplification. In simplification, some of you are doing mistakes while solving the brackets. Okay? Geet, please adjust your camera properly. It's not clear. Now, simplification. First part is easy. First part is 6 plus minus 10. 6 plus minus 10. Okay. This is a bracket given to you. This is not a small bracket, not a curly bracket, not a large bracket. Okay. This is a bracket of absolute. We can say that absolute, or we can say that this is a additive inverse. Okay, we can say this as an absolute value. You have to write here absolute value, or you can write here the additive inverse. Additive inverse. Okay, this bracket states for these two values. Okay, additive inverse of minus 10 will be plus 10. An absolute value of minus 10 will be plus 10. Right? Okay. So we can mention it any way. Okay. So you have to write here, while opening the bracket, 6 will be as it is, plus minus 10. Additive inverse of minus 10 is plus 10. Or we can say that absolute value of this minus 10 will be 10. So answer will be equal to 16. That is your answer. It's very, very easy. One of the easiest questions. Right? Got it, everyone? Okay. Okay. Now let's start with the next question. I'm giving you question 3rd. I'm giving you part 3rd. Okay. After 3rd part, we'll discuss part 5th. Okay. So part 3rd is, I'm writing here. Please note down, or you have to solve in the practice notebook. Ananya, be active in the class. Plus 16 plus minus 7 plus 4 and plus minus 9. Please solve this question quickly. Quickly, everyone. Solve this question. 16 plus minus 7 plus 4 and plus minus sign. While opening the brackets, please see the sign. Please write down the sign properly while opening the brackets. Okay? Yanya, good. Good, Noor, very good. Quickly solve these questions. Tanvi, Hazel, Ananya, Naman, Raman, Rushil. Daksh, what you are asking? Rashi, Saina. Okay. Please match your answers, match your steps with me. Okay, you have to write here 16 as it is. Okay, plus minus will become minus 7. Okay, plus 4 will be as it is. Plus minus will be minus 9. Right? Right? So how? In the third step, you can solve these two first of all, and then we can add in this value. Okay, some are doing in this way. Some are doing in this way. 16 minus 7 is? 16 minus 7 is? Quickly. Do the addition subtraction properly, quickly. Yes, that is 9. Okay, plus 4 minus 9 is? 4 minus 9 is? Minus 5. Okay, minus 5. Your answer will be 4. Your answer will be 4. Okay, this is correct. And how some others are doing? They are doing it this way. They are doing it this way. Okay, 16 and 4. 16 and 4 is 20. Okay, minus 7 minus 9. Minus 7 minus 9, that is minus 16. Okay, answer will be 4. Okay, some are doing it this way. They are adding these two positive values and then they are adding these two subtraction values. Answer will be absolutely same. Okay, you can add or subtract in any order. In any order, answer will be same. But please write down the correct sign. Okay, and while doing subtraction addition, please mention the correct sign. Otherwise, your answer will be wrong. Okay. Now, Rushil, check it out. Rushil, check it out where you have committed the mistakes. I have told in two ways. Okay, either you can add, subtract these two, then plus, then these two. Okay, you can add this and this or this and this. Okay, please check your question once again. Now, last part. Today's my homework is, last part is the fifth part, that is, fifth part you have to solve. Okay, please note down the homework also. Please note down the homework also. Today you have to solve in the practice notebook. Okay, in the practice notebook, question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sixth is the verification. Sixth and seventh will discuss by tomorrow. No worries. Okay, those who have done 6, 7 question, they can do. Those who have not done 6 and 7 question will discuss by tomorrow. That is verification. Okay, so after that there are fill in the blanks. 8th, 9th, 10th. 6th and 7th will discuss by tomorrow. Today you have to solve these questions. If these questions you have done already in the practice, go for the fair work. Rest you can do all these questions in the practice for those who have not done. Okay, so by tomorrow we'll discuss 6th and 7th question in the class. Okay, so today do this 5th question at home. Okay, match your answers properly. Okay, by tomorrow we'll discuss the doubts. Whatever doubts you are having up to 1 to 10. Okay, except 6th and 7th question. And then we'll move to the next concept. Are you able to understand whatever we have done in the class? Regarding the terms, regarding the properties, regarding the questions. Okay, please keep on doing all these questions at home. Daily practice of mathematics should be there. Okay, keep on asking me your doubts, whatsoever doubts you're having. Okay, immediately on the next day. Correct? Okay, bye-bye and take care all of you.